So this is our slow roasted lamb with fennel, creamy beans, crispy Jersey roll potatoes, and everything is going to cook together at the same time. This is where the Samsung dual cook oven makes a world of difference. It lets you divide the oven into 2 separate zones, so you can cook completely different dishes at different temperatures all at the same time. So we've got some fennel going into the pan, followed by some shallots. So in they go. Then we're going to pop our lamb shoulder on, and we're going to make a few slits in there. Thick slices of garlic here, and I'm just going to pop those into the slits, just like that. You want to do a few of these, quite a few of these, all over the lamb, and just keep going until you've used all your garlic up. We're going to take some seasoning, some salt and pepper, and we're just going to use that to season the lamb. You like to get a bit under as well. Once you've done that, we're going to add some wine into the pan, just around the lamb, followed by some lamb stock. Need a big bit of foil, and then you really want to seal it in there. Really get it in. Now, just before you pop that in, you're going to reduce the heat on the oven, the upper temp, and you get that down to 150. If you're only using one section, you can just heat the top half, which is great for saving energy and getting up to temperature faster. So now we're going to get that dual cook oven really working. Add the oil. I'm going to add this to the oven now. Heat the oil in the tray, and then once that's hot, add the potatoes. Yeah, that little sizzle in the pan. That's what you want. An oiled glass, just to squish them down. All in the glass means they're less likely to stick to the glass. Those are all nice and squished. You don't want to completely smash them. Quick season. Back into the oven it goes, which is at 200. So we'll have our lamb cooking low and slow at the top, and our potatoes roasting at a higher temp at the bottom. So just while the potatoes are finishing off, we'll just take a quick look at lamb. Just what I'm looking for. For now, we're going to move the lamb to a board. We're going to take off some of those juices so we can make a sauce in the pan. So now I'm going to start with the pancetta. What I really love about this hob is that it heats up really quickly, so you're not standing around for ages waiting for your pan to get warm. It'll start to sizzle, and then we're going to cook this until deeply golden and crispy. What I also love about this is if you're thinking, oh, the temperature could be a little higher, you can whack it up slightly and it won't take ages to get to the temperature you need. It's almost instant. Now that's nice and crispy, I'll take that off the hob and we'll crack on with the sauce. Back to the tray with all the lovely lamb juices, as well as the shallots and fennel. I'm just going to gently heat that. I'm going to add some white beans, some sage, and just we were just frying off. Cook this for a few minutes. All those flavors melded together. One of the brilliant things is being able to take this straight from the oven, straight to the hob. It makes the cooking experience so much easier. We're almost ready for our creme fraiche. So I'll get that in now. And we're just going to gently cook that for a couple of minutes. I'll turn down the heat slightly. Really coming together, creamy and rich. It's going to be delicious sitting underneath that lamb. Roast potatoes. Remember, this was cooked at a different temperature to the lamb that was also in the oven. Brilliant. And now we're going to get that lamb on a platter and bring everything together. This lovely sauce. You remember we've got pancetta in there, fennel, sage, shallots, the wine and the stock from earlier. It is full of flavour. Onto our beans. There we go. And we'll garnish that with just a few caper berries. And these caper berries will add a burst of sharp, tangy flavour against that rich, fatty lamb. And then just to finish, some fried sage leaves and a lovely pop of colour, some extra flavour. And there you have it. This is exactly the kind of dish you want for a relaxed dinner. Everything comes together really easily, but it still feels really special. And just look at how tender and pull apart that lamb is. Delicious.